Hi, in this file we need to fill in the job title with jobs from this list. We don't have a validation, but we have a conditional formatting rule. If you try to type any job that is not listed, the whole line, the whole row will be highlighted with red. Let me close this file and start from scratch. This is the exact same file. The first step, I will convert this to a range through Ctrl A to select all, Ctrl T to make a table, and of course my table has header, and I will do the exact steps here. So Ctrl A, Ctrl T, and also my table has header. So now we have two tables. In the small table, I select the whole value with the title. From the keyboard, Ctrl Shift F3, create names from selection, and the name is in the top row. Now our jobs name is jobs. If you go to Formula Name Manager, you'll find a name called jobs. Refer to the jobs. Now Ctrl A in the main table, and notice if you press Ctrl A, you select only the record without the title. Home, conditional formatting, new rule. Use a formula. We will type our condition to count if. We will count in jobs, which is this list. We will count this cell, G2. But we need to move from G2 to G3 to G4. This is why we are going to remove the $sign in front of the 2. If this function returns 0, if this value is not existed in this list, we need to highlight the whole row with red. So now, every time you type any value here, which does not exist here, the whole table will appear. Now we have two issues. The first one, may the Excel change the rule, so I have to go back and make sure everything is okay. We start from 2, and here we have G2, so this is okay. The second one, as long as this cell is blank, is empty, the result is 0. This is why the whole row is highlighted in red. If I type any correct job, the format is okay, but as long as it is blank, we will have the highlight with red. So we are going to add another conditional formatting rule. So Ctrl A again, new rule, use a formula. This time we will check is blank. If the cell J2, we type $sign in front of J because we need only this column, but there is no $sign in front of the 2 because we need to move from 2 to 3. In this case, if cell G2 is blank, I need to highlight it with white. So now we have two conditions. The second one, as long as this one is blank, it will be white. If it is correct, and correct means to have a value from this list, it will be with the table format. If it is wrong, it will be highlighted with red.